Day 5 of the UN Open Source Week. So day 5 is some side events and breakout events at different company offices here in New York. I'm at the PwC offsite here in their offices. And I split my time today between an AI sidetrack and an OSPO sidetrack. At the AI one of the things that surprised me was the focus on getting more data for open source AI efforts, because a lot of the data is owned by proprietary companies. Somebody actually made a point that only 0.01% of all of the human generated data has got into AI models so far. So it's kind of hype that we're running out of data. But they were focused on getting this data into open source AI models. There was conversation about how to do that, and there's like two main roadblockers. One is giving credit to the person that has the data, that you're using it, and the second is that it's kind of breaking our economic models for why people produce data. So interesting conversations there, kind of took a turn I didn't expect. This other track I went to was the OSPO track, and there was very much a focus on how do we get all of these countries that are working on how to use open source software within their government frameworks and within their countries, how do we even let them know about each other and how do we collaborate? So there was a lot of efforts on registering OSPOs from different countries, recording best practices, really trying to help people connect and collaborate and build on the work of others. So this is a wrap for the United Nations Open Source Week. It's been a fascinating week. I've met a ton of interesting people, had a lot of great conversations. I highly recommend getting involved in your local government efforts to use open source software. And if you do, I recommend coming to this event. Great networking opportunities and a lot of really thought-provoking conversations. So enjoy your weekend.